Now you can protect your Evolve hose reel with a cover that not only looks great, but is built to withstand the tough Aussie elements. Designed for a snug, secure fit, the Evolve hose reel cover offers even more protection while allowing you to move and use your reel with ease. The cover is made from UV protected 600D PVC backed polyester and is available in two colours, beige and charcoal, to match your reel. This material with PVC backing ensures these covers are water resistant, UV safe and extremely hard wearing. In just a few steps, I'll show you how to fit the cover and align it correctly. Start by slotting the hose through the mouth of the cover. Gently pull the cover over the reel and adjust it to sit evenly. The logo should be aligned at the bottom rear of the reel. Slide the Velcro tab through the rear bracket section of the reel and fasten it firmly. Pull the cover tight around the reel and secure the Velcro strip along the base for a snug fit. Adjust the cover as needed so it sits neatly over the reel with full coverage. Lastly, fasten the two Velcro tabs at the front to cover the handle. These can be undone whenever you need to move the reel. The rear handle stays exposed for easy lifting, while the rest of the reel remains protected from the elements. And that's it, a simple and secure way to protect your Evolve hose reel while keeping it easy to use.